Of questions about common law marriage, so I just wanted to do a short video just to explain how important it is that you understand the laws in your jurisdiction around common law marriage. I want to talk very briefly about British Columbia, Canada. Behind me is a picture of one of my favorite all-time players who is from Burnaby, British Columbia, Joe Sakic. So I thought I'd invite him in to this discussion with us. But in British Columbia, you just need to hold yourself out or act in a marriage-like relationship in order for the government in British Columbia to consider you married. Can you believe? For 2 years, just 2 years. So if you move in with somebody, the clock starts ticking. And if you're in a marriage-like relationship, which isn't clearly defined by statute, with this person for 2 years, you're common law married in British Columbia. Imagine that. Imagine this fact pattern. You're common law married in the eyes of the law, and then you want to break up and marry someone else. Guess what? You can't do it. Why? Because if you're common law married, you have to get divorced. You might owe this person spousal support. Let's take it a step further in places like British Columbia. If you have a child with that person and live in a marriage-like state, the period of marriage-like living is only 1 year before you're considered common law married. Yeah, that's it. You don't need a marriage license. You don't have to have a wedding, no proposal, none of that stuff. So you need to know your jurisdiction, where you live, and what the law is. Now, in the U.S., common law marriage still exists in a handful of states. I'm making this in October of 2020. Colorado, Iowa, Montana, New Hampshire, South Carolina, Texas, and Utah. And even places that used to recognize common law marriage, if you were living in a marriage-like state before a certain date, could be 10 years ago or 15 years ago, and you're still living that way, there's a possibility that the other person could claim that you're common law married. Here's the point of the video. Know the law in your jurisdiction. Consult with a local legal counsel. They'll help you understand what it is that could create a marriage-like state so you don't find yourself hamstrung and owe somebody spousal support if you go your separate ways. You don't want that. You want to know what you're doing. Okay? So think. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that little like, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and be careful out there.